How to activate dark mode on Windows 11. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'll guide you on how you can activate dark mode for Windows 11, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now I have a Windows 11 as you can see, and I'm currently on a lighter version, and if I want to switch to a dark theme, there are many ways that I can do this. You can right click on your home screen on an empty space and then just go to this option called personalize. Then you're going to be taken to personalization tab, or you can simply open up your start menu, go to settings, click on personalization from the left hand side here. Then once you come over here, you'll be able to see this option where it says colors. You can just go to colors, and then here you can currently see it says choose your mode. Currently it is set to light, so I can just switch this to dark just like this, and now you can see my Windows 11 has been successfully activated dark mode. So this way I can activate dark mode for Windows 11. Hope this video was very helpful to you guys, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have got any questions, then feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.